Hey guys, so I did need to redo my intro because I lost the footage. So I will be reviewing these Amazon extensions that I got. They are balayage extensions, like a brownish. They color match perfectly. And I do want to say to ignore the fact that the back is not the same white. I'm literally in the middle of redoing my whole room. I'm painting, I'm moving things, buying things, so just ignore that. But yeah, today I'm gonna be reviewing these Amazon extensions. I didn't put them all on just so I can show you guys what I initially wanted to show you, which was that they color match perfectly. They are super soft. They have really high ratings on Amazon. I will say though that the cons are that I feel like these, like the clips, aren't as sturdy as more expensive ones, but I mean they were around $80, so you do get what you pay for. Other than that, I have no complaints. When they color match, like, that's it for me. I will say that they're not as thick as I wanted them to be because I recently cut my hair, so it's kind of hard to find extensions that match the thickness, which you can kind of see here as well. But once I put all of them in, you won't even. I am in love with these extensions. They did come with these lashes as well, so that was really nice of them. I didn't keep the box because I keep my lashes in a separate little like storage box, so I didn't keep it. But I will show you guys a little bit more of my review and opinion throughout the video, and make sure to subscribe. Okay, so because I know that I want my hair to be like a half up, half down, that's usually the first thing that I do when I'm putting on extensions, because I find that it's way easier than to like struggle with it after. So first things first, make your half up, half down. Now that I got the half up, half down look, I don't care too much for making it look neat. It's never really been my thing. I am gonna lay my baby hairs down later, but I want to start with the extensions. So because my hair is so much thicker than the extension, I'm going to place these at the very bottom of my hair, just so that it looks a little even. And I think I'm gonna go with, not sure if I should go with 2 3s or a 4. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with a 3 on the bottom and then a 4 right on top. So I'm gonna put the 4 right over that. Okay. And by the way, these little clips, I got them at my local like 97-cent store. I always use them to like separate my hair. Okay. So we're good in the back. I don't feel the clips popping out, but like I said, I do feel like they're very like flimsy. If you've owned more expensive extensions in the past, you know that they're very like sturdy when they come on, and these just don't feel like that, but they're getting the job done. So okay, so now I see that I just need I don't have a lot of hair, so I can easily see that I just need some filler spots. So most likely I'm not using every single thing here. I probably will not use a 4. I think I'm gonna go in with a 2 on this side. Okay, I'm probably gonna leave it like that. You see how the color literally blends perfectly. And I will be curling my hair, so I don't mind too much about how it doesn't blend that well with the thickness of my hair, just because I will be styling it, so it'll blend better. I don't think I've ever straightened extensions before. I just find that it doesn't blend well for me. So if you've had extensions that you've straightened before and they blend really well with your hair, let me know what brand they are, because I personally haven't found any that I like. On this side, I'm gonna go in with a single. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Every single hair feels covered. So I'm gonna start styling and I'll show you guys how I curl my hair in basically like 5 minutes. I already put heat protectant on my hair and on the extensions. And I'm using a a Remington curler. I've had this for years. What I usually do is I just clip two like little ponytails. I'm pretty sure I'm not the first person who's done this, but I've done this literally since high school because I hate doing my hair. Like, I hate it. But yeah, so I'll clean everything up at the end, but I'll just show you guys how I do this very quickly in the morning. Now I'm gonna do a couple of pieces that would normally like fall into the back. I honestly rarely ever put my hair to the back. I don't know why. I'm like always the type to have all my hair to the front. But if you normally wear your hair to the back, I would say to separate it into 3 sections instead. 2 in the front and 1 in the middle back, so you can get everything. But I personally never really do that. But I do grab some pieces like from the back. And then I'll also curl the ponytail that I made. So this is the first half, and honestly it blends so well. I'm super impressed with these extensions, especially because, like I said, when you buy balayage extensions, because they're balayage, they're normally like $300, but these were $82, so I'm super impressed with them. And I know that I mentioned that they're pretty flimsy, but I mean, I pull on them when I'm curling my hair and nothing happens, like they're not coming off or anything, so they're not that flimsy. Just compared to more expensive extensions, they don't feel as sturdy when you clip them on, but it'll still stay on. Okay, so this side curled a lot better than this side, so I'm gonna go in and fix this side a little bit. So if you are the type to wear your hair to the back, I'd recommend doing this and just pulling some hairs from the middle and curling those. And then kind of feeling it out and then pulling middle strands and curling those as well. The final step, which is making sure everything on top looks a little neater, I'm going to be going in with just some non-aerosol hairspray. And then once I'm done, I just play around with it, see what I like. So yeah, that's all I have for today. I'll definitely insert some shots of my hair so you guys can see and check it out. I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing these. Honestly, I really do recommend it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, so I put them all on and just look at them. Again, not perfect, but worth the amount that you paid.